The upcoming Pixel 6 series launch is going to be big. It's a perfect chance for Google to storm to swipe the Galaxies and take over the Android smartphone world. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, we know that the upcoming Pixel 6 series launch is going to be big and Google knows it, and that's why they have upped their estimate for Pixel sales way higher than any other Google Pixel phones before. It's a perfect storm forming around the Pixel 6. We know that Tensor is the first Google made mobile chip, the first new camera sensor on the Pixels in a year, and a radical new design makes this as a perfect upgrade to the Pixel 6 series devices. But in order for a perfect storm to form, you need some outside condition, and if they lack, it never forms. Basically, one of the biggest upgrade which I think is going to be changing for the Android smartphone world is the Google Tensor chip. Basically, it's an in-house chip developed by Google in the collaboration with Samsung, which make the Google as a best competitor to Apple, because both of these companies will now have their own chipset and their own software, so they can optimize their devices even better. So guys, I honestly believe that Google will have a power to optimize their Android devices with their hardware. So if that happens, then this is going to be a great opportunity for Google to form a perfect storm to swipe out the Galaxies, just because they have their own hardware on top of their own software for best optimization. Next come the cameras. So guys, we already know that Google was using the 12 megapixel sensor from almost all the devices they have launched since the Pixel 3, and they are perfectly one of the best smartphones when it comes to still photography. But when it comes to video, there is going to be a lack of them. So it was due for Google to upgrade their camera sensor for quite a long time, but now they are going to be doing that, and now we have a Google Pixel 6 Pro which is coming with a triple camera setup on the back side, which will be coming with a 50 megapixel of a camera sensor in a new camera design on the back side. We're also going to see an optimization for Google in terms of camera photography, and there are some reports that the videography is also going to be improved. So judging upon the history of the Google Pixel devices in terms of photography, we can expect that the video quality of the upcoming Pixel 6 series will be going to be perfect. So this is another chance for Google to make their mark. The last thing which has been improved from Google is the design. We now have a new design which is going to be perfectly matches to all the Android world. We have a punch hole camera cutout on the front of the device, which definitely make them a great option to have. And also on the back side, we have a new camera layout which is having a black color option, and it's a little bit on the thicker side. Also on the back, we have a two-tone color option as well, making it a perfect device for Google to launch, because it's going to be a different device in terms of its design, and also it's going to be perfect when it's come to display. And talking about the display, we now have a 6.7 inch of a screen size with 120 Hz of OLED panel on the front, which definitely make this device as a perfect display up till now. Also on the front side, we are going to see the in-display fingerprint scanner, which definitely make this as a modern looking device. The last thing which is going to be pretty much important for Google to have in order to swipe the Android world is the pricing. Basically, if you know, the flagship level devices which are coming this year has a price tag at least around $1,000. But if Google chooses to lower down the price tag and launch their device at $900, then I definitely think this is going to be a great opportunity for them in order to take the Android world. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.